I am Sophia Casey, international award-winning speaker, corporate trainer, dynamic executive coach, and now I can proudly say an author. I am the author and the creator of the Ease and Flow Journal, a 31-day journal to help you get clear, connected, and courageous about your life. Oh, do I have one? Bam! Always. And I'm so excited. You see that? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Hope you can see that. It says SophiaCasey.net, our new website. And it says Ease and Flow. So these little beautiful ribbons are actually for our carry-all bag for the zipper pull. But look at that. I'm using it as a little bookmark. So yes, that's the Ease and Flow Journal. And I know you guys already know about that because I talk about it all the time. Yes, I do. And I'm so glad I talk about it all the time. Obviously, talking about it all the time really helped. Get it into Barnes & Noble and Walmart.com. Yes, yes, yes. So, guys, thank you for pressing the share button. Thank you for being here. So, we're going to go like super duper quick. I want to support you guys in being in action. Being in action. All right, guys. So, I'm in the middle of a power hour. If you all have not checked out my power hour, I cannot impress upon you enough how supportive it is. What is a power hour? A power hour is when I come on video. I support a group of people in being in action. So in our power hour is every first Wednesday of the month at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, from 10 a.m. to 11:30. That may sound like a lot of time, but think about it. It's only one time per month. You get a bit of coaching, and you also get the support of other people being on that call, holding you accountable. Because you know what happens. What's predictable if you don't have an accountability partner or accountability structure in place? You know what happens. Same thing that happened to those New Year's resolutions that you made on January 1st of this year, right? Probably nothing. So it's the best accountability structure. I actually do it. I lead a power hour group, like I said, every first Wednesday? Every second Wednesday of the month at 10 a.m. I also am involved in other power hours too. So I'm going to start sharing more about the power hour. Those folks who are already in my current power hour group, they will tell you just how supportive it has been. All right, guys, so really fast. So I titled this Mojo Minute, yeah, I know, the dog ate your homework again. Why do you think I titled it that? I titled it that so that we can chat just for a brief moment about excuses. One of my favorite quotes that I actually learned when I was pledging Delta Sigma Theta sorority. Ooh, shout out to my sorors. When I was pledging many moons ago at UCLA, one of the quotes that we learned was, excuses are tools of the incompetent. Those who use them rarely succeed. Excuses are tools of the incompetent. Those who use them rarely succeed. And that is not to beat you up. I'm not ever proposing you beat yourself up about things you haven't done. But what I am here to support you around as a coach, as an executive coach, as a life coach, is you being in action around what you said you wanted for your life. So take a look around. Do you actually have what you said you wanted? Do you actually have in place those things that you said you desired on January 1st of this year? Okay, so like I said at the beginning, everybody's starting to think about like 2019. Oh, wow. Okay, all right. Well, we're closing out this year. Okay, next year, that's my year. And I stand for you. I'm standing for you for that to be so, for that to be the truth. If you find that it's not the truth from those resolutions that you made at the beginning of the year, if you don't have those things in place, if you actually can't even find your resolutions, if you've fallen off the wagon, it is totally okay. I want you to forgive yourself for that, and I want you to recommit. Recommit to your goals. One way to support yourself or get yourself supported is to join my Ease and Flow Power Hour. If you want more information about it, just send me a message. Okay, so really quickly, how do we stop giving Excuses, excuses, excuses. How do you stop being stuck in excuses? Stop being in procrastination. Stop saying you're going to do something and then you look around and you haven't done it. I had a client who said she wanted to create a business, and she talked about it. She talked about her goal for, oh my gosh, more than 20 years. More than 20 years, and never did it. She started working with me, started working with a coach, and she actually made that dream a reality. And now she travels all over the world taking pictures. Hello, who wouldn't want that job? Okay, so it doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be hard, but you have to be committed. So in about 60 seconds, I'm gonna give you some quick tips. Write them down in your Ease and Flow journal. Yes, you should have your Ease and Flow journal because there's some blank pages in the back for you to write them down. So number one, make a list of your fears. More than likely, you're not in action. You're not doing anything because there's some fear in place. There's something you're afraid of. There's something that you're telling yourself you can't do. Okay, so I want you to make a list of those fears. I want you to then write down what you're actually going to do about those fears that you have. Are you going to get supported? Are you going to talk to a member of the clergy? Are you going to talk to a coach? What are you going to do to address those fears? Are you going to go to counseling? What are you going to do? Because being stuck in fear is not going to get you anywhere at all. We all have fears, but fears don't have to stop us. All right, number 3, I want you to decide today, I want you to come up with 3. How many? Just 3. Just 3. I'm not asking for too much. I said 3. Come up with 3 concrete goals. And what I mean by concrete goals is that they are actually SMART goals. They're specific, they're measurable, they're achievable. Okay? They're results focused. Okay? And the T is for their time sensitive. There's some type of time parameter around them. And I'm going to do a class later on about SMART goals and creating SMART goals. I have so much coming down the pipe for you guys. God is so good. So, okay, so I only gave you 3 things. Write down your list of fears. Write down what you're going to do about those fears. How are you going to be supported around being in action even in light of those fears? And then the third one is to actually decide on 3 goals that you're going to focus on. 3 SMART goals you're going to focus on. All right, so come back to me. Make sure you always turn on notifications so you know when I'm on, because I always have some good stuff for you, great tips and tools. All right, go take great care of each other. And most importantly, what do I always say? Take great care of yourself. God bless. Ciao, ciao.